best.
Igbos
you
must
can
go.
call them the minority.
Igbos must go.
But this thing, they are majority.
Igbos must leave Lagos.
Without Igbo today, Nigerian economy is failed. I'm a typical Yoruba man. And that's why I brought my face out. I'm not talking under audio. For you people to know that your problem is your politicians. Your problem now, when you say Igbo, your best musician today, Davido, marry from where? Marry an Igbo woman. Your son, your first son, Tinubu son Seyi, marry who? His wife, the father is an Igbo, the mother is from Lebanon. My former governor, Akeredolu, marry an Igbo. All Adeleke family marry an Igbo. These same people will tell you Igbos are bad, but their grandchildren, they are Igbo. So wake up. Igbos are not your problem. Until you realize that the so-called politician, and when they are chilling, the day they are dividing the money, they won't tell you, say, one is Igbo, one is in Yoruba. They eat the money. When they are giving hand in marriage, they are there together. But when they want to go into politics or position in the office, they will tell you, Igbo man is your problem. Igbo man is not your problem. Wake up, brother. A brother was typing there. His name is Toby. God bless you, brother. He's a Yoruba man, and I can see what he was typing. Until the day we realize that this so-called politician, this political cartel that make your life miserable today, that make Nigeria where they are today, you cannot go out in the night. The Boko Haram are there, the ISWAP are there, but you are calling Igbo. What happened in my state in Owo? I lost 2 cousins in that church there. Is that Igbo people that went there? No. What happened in Igaga? When the unalive Dr. Aborode that came from Germany to come and set up farm to become employer of labor, the people that unalive him, are they Igbo people? Until you wake up